Hello everyone. So, seeing these cards, I know most of you all will be jumping with joy and happiness that the Kali Oracle is back, because I know most of you all just wait for the Kali messages mainly. In fact, one or two people had said, why don't you do it every day? But then I felt, there should be a change, and sometimes changes is for good. So, cheer up. Today she's back. So, let's start with Jai Kali, and let's see what is there today in the cards for you. The first card is the beautiful Kali Kapali. Let me just pick one more card, and then I will do the reading for both together. Okay, I just felt I should pick the first card, Kurukula Devi. I think recently also these two had only come. Let's just start and see what it is that they are trying to give us as a message today. Now, the Kali Kapali, as I always say, the lady with the skulls, and she's the one who wears skull mala. She's tender, but she knows when the time comes how to assist you and how to transform you and how to make you happy and how to make you a positive person. So she's there, and the skull mala is not only to protect you but to also strengthen you. So today she says, trust that time will heal things and you will feel better. So she is asking you to heal yourself. Maybe I feel when I see this card, I feel she's ready to heal you. She's saying just heal yourself, and I'm there to help you, and I will support you on the journey. And if you feel someone is backstabbing you, then just call on me and I will beautifully guide you. So maybe just call on her, look at her, and just tell her, help me ma, help me in this life and help me in this situation. I have full faith in you. I have my full belief in you. Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Kali. So if you tell her that, I'm sure she's going to help you and she's going to be there for you, and she's going to give you a beautiful insight of a situation which you might not even know that it could be handled this way. Coming to Kurukula, the beautiful lady, and she has got this lady, though she is called in sorcery, they say that she can conjure, she can do sorcery in the tantra mahavidya. But here she also is a person who will help you in getting you what you want, and she also helps you so that you get freedom and you overcome all the unwanted energy. So basically today they both have come to tell you to overcome from all the unwanted energies that is troubling you, and to just call on them and they are going to bless you. And I think I had already once told, when Kurukula comes, that there's a mantra that you need to chant. I will repeat that mantra today also. Chant that 108 times today. Om Kurukule Hrisoham Om Tare Tam Swaha. I repeat, Om Kurukule Hrisoham Om Tare Tam Swaha. Do this 108 times. Look at her and chant 108 times, and I'm sure she's going to give you a beautiful and a blessed day. Today, offer Kalima some prasad, and then you can have that prasad, or you can even give it to your neighbors or people whom you want to give. And also today, the color that you will be wearing is light blue or light green. You can select from this and you can wear. Have a beautiful Kalima blessed day ahead. Thank you.